Today, I want to talk to you guys about working with a resistance band and some of the benefits to them. I love resistance bands because they're lightweight, they're small, they are easy to pack, they don't take up a lot of room in your house, and they also provide a really intense burn, which you know we love at Ballet Beautiful. So we make a couple of resistance bands. This is our blue band, which is actually our heavier resistance. It's really, really challenging. I have a lavender, and there's also a pink band that is what I would call a medium resistance. This is sort of my go-to for our band workouts because it's gonna challenge you, but it's doable. You can get some opening in it. The blue band is much, much tighter. And of course, you could also look to a lighter resistance band or a light resistance band. Those definitely exist, but they're not going to give you as much challenge, therefore you won't get as much benefit out of them. So something to keep in mind when you are shopping for your band. Now, in Ballet Beautiful, we incorporate the bands in a lot of our posture exercises. We have recently introduced some fun new stretch series with the band. So these can be a great tool. We also use them for mat work and for standing work. So there's a lot of different ways that you can incorporate a band into your Ballet Beautiful training. In our stretching, I talk about this in our videos. When we're using our band for stretch, for example, we're pulling the band apart and using it really as a tool for how we're moving the body. Now, the resistance doesn't have that much to do with that. It's more about the shape. But if you don't have a band with you at home, one thing that I recommend, especially for stretching, is to grab a hand towel, something that's a little bigger than a washcloth, probably a little smaller than a regular towel. Put your hand on either side. And a lot of the stretches that we're doing with our bands, you will be able to mimic that with use of a hand towel. And the same is true when we're stretching, and you guys may hear me say this from time to time. I'll say, if, for example, if my goal is to touch my toes and then work my hand, get the palm of my hand onto my toes, reaching even further and getting my fingertips underneath my foot, right? Coming all the way down. That might not be doable for all of you guys every day. And so there's ways to work up to that, and a band can be a great tool for that, because if you're not able to get down as far, you can use the band, you can pull on it and sort of use it as a stretching aid. So it can be a really great way to work on and to increase your flexibility. When we're doing mat stretches and we're working on our legs and on our flexibility for our legs. For example, I might have a stretch where we're coming down on our side, we're bending the knee, we're gonna stretch, pull that foot back. Maybe that range of motion is not achievable for you guys. Totally fine. The band is a good tool to help you get a little bit closer. So what I would recommend is grab the band, put it underneath the arch of your foot, and then we're really just working towards number one, getting your leg up and then bringing it back. And that band can be a way where it's not as extreme, you don't have to reach your hand over your foot, which is hard, and it will come with time and practice, but this band can help you just get a little bit further along. So don't be afraid to incorporate it. Even if I'm not using a band on a mat stretch, grab your band if you have one handy and try it. See if it helps you gain a bigger range of motion. For example, I think that we could use it even standing up, like for these hip stretches, right? You bend your knee, you pull your leg back. Anytime you're sort of pulling on your limb or your body, you can use the band as a stretching aid. So that is one of my absolute top recommendations for using a band in your Ballet Beautiful training. And I cannot wait to see you guys at the next workout.